everyone, so welcome to our video tutorial about logarithmic and exponential. So first we will solve an example about exponential. So this is This is the defined problem. 3x is equal minus 1 is equal to 25x. So for you to solve the exponent, you should find a number which with the same base. So 3x is equal to minus 1 equals 5 squared. So 5 multiplied by itself into 2 will be 25 and then x. So for you to solve the exponent, you should find the same base. So for the exponent, 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x. So transposition method, for you to define what is the value of x. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x, and then 3x minus 2x equals 1. So this is the value of x. So for evaluate 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 squared x and the value of x. So simplify 3x times 1 minus 1 is equal to 2x times 1. So 3 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 times 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and then if you get the same if you get the same number in both sides, in that way you should know that your problem is correct. And then now we proceed to logarithmic. So the defined problem is ax is equal to y. Log 3, 9 is equal to y. So 3x, so the 3 would be the base and the 9 would be the exponent. And then 3x is equal to 9. So copy the 3x like here. So how many 3 would you multiply to get the 9? So 2 raised to the power of 2. The 3x raised to the power of 2 is equal to x is equal to 2. So that would be all.
So hello everyone, I am here to give you another example of exponential and logarithmic function. (6g minus 2x is equals to 36). So we have to find a same base. So 6g minus 2x is equals to 6 to the power of 2. So we're going to cancel to the same base, and then we're going to put down the exponent. 3 minus 2x is equals to 2. Then we're going to transpose. So it will go into negative 2x is equals to 2 over 3. So negative 2x over negative 2x is equals to negative 1 over 2. And then we were going to cancel the negative 2x. So the answer is x is equals to 1 over 2. Ay is equals to x. Log 4 to the power of 16 is equals to x. 4x is equals to 16. So we will going to put down the 4. So equals how many how many 4 will you multiply to get the 16? So, 3. So, x is equals to 3.
So hi everyone, I am here to give another example of exponential and logarithmic function. So we have here example of exponential function which is 25 raised to 2x is equals to 5 raised to x plus 6. So bago natin kunin yung exponent, dapat make sure natin na yung base natin is magkapareho. So as we can see, magkaiba ang base natin. That's why, hanapin natin yung pinakamaliit na value na base natin, which is ang 5. So, how many times natin ita-times or i-multiply yung 5 sa sarili niya para equal siya sa 25? So, 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, 5 raised to 2, then copy the exponent, times 2x is equals to, copy 5x plus 6. So now, magkaparehas na yung base natin. Therefore, proceed na tayo sa ating exponent. Bring down natin yung exponent. 2 times 2x is equals to x plus 6. So, 2 times 2x is equals to 4x. Equals to, copy na lang ang x plus 6. And now, we will proceed to transposition, which is, yung 4x, i-combine natin siya sa x. So, for ang x, pag ita-transpose natin kasama ng 4x, magiging negative. Kasi kapag nagta-transpose tayo, ang negative magiging positive, and ang positive ay magiging negative. So, 4x, negative x is equals to 6. 4x minus x is equals to 3x equals to 6. And now, para makuha natin yung value ng x, i-divide natin both sides ng 3. So, cancel, magiging x na lang is equals to 6 over 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of our x is 2. So, in order to check whether our answer is correct or wrong, gagamit tayo ng distribution. So, x is equals to 2. So, ang gagamitin nating equation is ito. Itong unang ginamit natin. So, 25 raised to 2x is equals to 5 raised to x plus 6. So, i-distribute natin yung value ng 2, yung value ng x which is 2. So, 25 raised to 2 times 2, value ng x, is equals to 5 raised to 2 plus 6. So, now, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, 25 raised to 4 is equals to 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So, 5 raised to 8. So, now, 25 raised to 4, so 25 times 25 times 25 is equals to 390,625 is equals to 5 raised to 8. So, 5 times 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 5 is equals to 390,625. So, if yung result both sides ay magkapareho, therefore, yung answer is correct. But then, if hindi magkaparehas yung result both sides, ibig sabihin yung answer is wrong. But then, yung result natin is magkapareho, that's why ang answer natin is correct. So, we have here another example of logarithmic function, which is this. So, first, we have here log a raised to x is equals to y, where our a is our base, our x is the exponent, and our y is the result. So, we have here example, evaluate log 2 raised to 64. So, let x is equals to log 2 raised to 64. So, ang base natin ng a ay yung 2. So, 2 exponent is x is equals to yung result natin is 64. So, like nung ginawa natin sa exponential function kanina, how many times natin i-multiply yung 2 sa sarili niya para makuha natin yung 64? So, 2 times 2 is equals to 4, times 2 is equals to 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32, and times 2, 64, therefore 6. So, copy 2 raised to x is equals to 2 raised to 6. So, dahil magkaparehas na yung base natin, bring down na lang natin yung exponent, which is x is equals to 6. Therefore, our answer is